This is the practical number video of practical number 11 there from this event handling chapter, that is third unit. In this chapter we will see that the mouse events. So what is this? This one. Write a program to demonstrate the various mouse events using mouse listener and mouse motion listener interface. Practical significance: the mouse listener and mouse motion listener interface are used to implement the different types of events that are created when mouse is clicked, dragged, dropped, released, enter, exited in a component. So these are the 5 methods: mouse clicked, mouse dragged, mouse dropped, released, enter, exited in the component. These two interfaces let's use to handle the events to perform the some action in the event. Then the relevant program outcomes, I am not explaining, these are common to all the program outcomes, I already told that. Next is competency and practical skills. Develop a web and standalone application using the advanced concept of the Java. The practical is expected to develop the following skills: able to implement the events of the mouse listener and able to implement the events of mouse motion listener. Relevant course outcome: develop a program to handle the events in the Java programming. And practical outcomes: write a program to demonstrate the various mouse events using mouse listener and mouse motion listener. Relevant affective domain related outcomes: follow the precautionary measures, follow naming conventions, and follow ethical practices. Minimum theoretical background for this practical is Java mouse listener interface allows the user to handle the events when the user performs some events using mouse. The events are mouse click, mouse press, mouse enter, mouse exited, and mouse release. So these are the events. So list of methods here: void mouse click, mouse event parameter, void mouse entered, mouse void mouse exited, mouse press, mouse release. So all these 5 methods are having the mouse event as a parameter, and the resources required and resources used are operating system and NetBeans. So programs: write a program to change the background color of the applet when the user performs the events using mouse. We'll see the program. So practical number 11. So I have already written the programs. Practical number 11. में 2 है, काउंटर है 3, 11. Here it is there. So we'll see that. First I will write the run the program. So see, so when I'm clicking, entering white color, the exited green color, clicking purple color, blue color, release. So this is what, when depends upon this mouse entering on this one, the events will be happening. See here, for this public class name extends applet, implements mouse motion listener and mouse listener. Mouse, there are 2 listeners, mouse listener and mouse motion listener. So add this add mouse listener and mouse motion listener. So mouse moved, white color, mouse dragged, black color. See here, I am dragging, black color, and after that mouse clicked, blue color, and mouse entered. So just you see that mouse entered, mouse entered can color, and exited green color, exit हो गया, green color आया, and press magenta color, and release yellow color. माउस को रिलीज किया तो वो येलो कलर आ जाता है, येलो कलर आया. Is it clear? So this is what. And second one is what? Second, write a program to count the number of clicks performed by the user in the frame. So that we'll see that. Performed by the user. Click the counter. So just I am first run the program. In this video, in the last video, that is second program, it is half only. So I will repeat the same program, that is second one. Write a program to count the number of clicks performed by the user in the frame window. So you have to count how many times the user has clicked the mouse. That is 11. Question number 2, that is 11_2, that is mouse click event. So just I am running the program, run it. So here say click me, it is a button and one label is there, one button is there. So you are using this border layout for this border dot north and border dot south. When I am clicking here, say click me, बटन के ऊपर क्लिक करेगा तो डबल क्लिक और ट्रिपल क्लिक आए. So this is the word. So for this frame we have created example frame. See this, I'm just drag and keeping here, and then we have created the text area. Text area के अंदर this button is to handle the mouse click, and after that button, new button, click me एक button है. And here we are using this adapter class. In this adapter, what is the purpose of adapter class? In this adapter class, all the methods are implemented by do none method. So whichever the method I want, I can only implement that method. I can write the program in that method only. So here I am writing the program for only mouse click. I am not using any of the mouse enter, exit, close, closing, nothing. So event dot get click count. So get click count is a method in this mouse event. So that's why we are using the object of the mouse event, that is evt dot get click count equal to 3. Then triple click, set text area, set text, triple click. Else if mouse click event dot get click count equal to 2, then it is double click. And after that we are just adding this, adding the text area, border dot north and south, and then width, and setting the size, and then make this set visible true. It is, I think it is clear. So next one more question is there. In this three questions are there. Write a program to demonstrate the use of mouse dragged and mouse moved method of the mouse listener. That is practical number 11_3. So in this one we are using this mouse dragged it is. So I am just running this program. Mouse motion listener, how many methods are there? Mouse moved and mouse dragged. So here again listener we are use, run the method. So here for dragging and writing here. So Java I am writing. See, for dragging. So how it is there? We'll see that. So mouse class name extends applet implements mouse motion listener. So init method applet के अंदर किया, init method use किया, उसमें set layout new grid layout 5,2 x and y coordinates, add mouse motion listener this, and mouse dragged we are using mouse event as a parameter. So me dot get text, get x and get y repaint. So we are using this, we are extracting the coordinates of x and y. And mouse moved we are not using, then also we are then also you have to implement this method, that's why you are open and close. And then mouse update, that is paint G, you are painting. So and then G dot fill oval x, y 5 and 5. So fill oval fill करते हैं हम लोग, इधर राइट कर सकते हैं. ये छोटा छोटा ओवल्स है, उसके ऊपर हम लोग ड्रैग करते वो फिल हो रहे. इज इट क्लियर? So that completes your practical number 11.